So it is time to start tracking your points, which means you're going to be logging your books and your activities and everything that you're doing this summer on your READSquared, either on your app or on your desktop. And I'm going to show you really quickly how to log everything. So the first thing that you're going to want to learn how to log is your books. So if you say I want to log books, audiobooks, ebooks, picture books, all of these things count. So anything that you read, all of it counts. So if you read a book, you're going to track it here. So for this example, I'm going to say I read The Hunger Games by Suzanne Collins. And it'll take it just a minute to log it. And it'll let you know that you earn 5 points. For every book that you read, you earn 5 points, regardless of what kind of book it is. I don't care how you read, everything counts. So that's how you log your books right here on the desktop. You're also going to want to track any events that you attend because that's worth 10 points. So right here, we're going to go ahead and add every event that you attend. I will give you the code. You're going to type it in here, hit submit, and it will add your points. And so that is all you need to do to track. And then on the next thing, I'm going to show you how to track it on your app. You're going to start on your home screen. Go ahead and make sure that you are on the Yes SRP 2022. To log your books, you're going to choose that little pencil right there. Let them know what you're logging, whether it's a book, ebook, audiobook, and type in the title and author or the ISBN. For the purpose of this, Stephanie Meyer's Twilight, which is a personal favorite. I don't care what they say. Let them know that I've read it. It takes it a minute to log it, and then I'll let you know you've earned your 5 points. No matter what you read, you earn those 5 points. Next, we're going to go ahead and let them know that we attended an event. So you're going to choose that little calendar icon, and then if you attend a program, you are going to enter in the code I give you at the program. So for the purpose of this, that test 123, and you have redeemed your code successfully, and it'll go ahead and add in your points right there. Right on your app, you can track them all right there, and you'll be able to do this all summer long, right up until the last day of July. After that, no, it all stops. No more tracking, so make sure you get everything in before then. If you have any questions, you can always give us a call at your local library or visit us online at bcpls.org. And thanks for watching. Have fun this summer.